Precision saw table arrival explanation. First open the package. Remove the machine and mounting accessories. Unfolding the machine side table. Rocker arm bracket installation. Remove rocker arm bracket. Remove one screw from the bottom of the rocker arm bracket. Thread one side of the rocker arm bracket into the rail slots. Thread the lower slide screw into the upper bearing. Fixed a nut on the top. Scribe it to the side of the track flush with the track. Lock the black handle, after adjusting the height to the same level. Rocker arm bracket installation complete. Rocker bracket roller height adjustment. Adjusted by center nut. Height adjustment of the rollers is flush with the height of the guide rails. After that, you can lock the lower nut. Assembly of the front extension, unfolding the extension bracket. Installation of diagonal support. Remove top nut. Just align the holes and thread them in. Just tighten the locking nut. Same mounting method on both sides. Just tighten the locking nut. Bottom angle mounted above the support leg. Align the front extension with the screw holes. Remove top nut. Align the holes for threading. Adjustment of the height to the countertop, by means of the lower nut. Level with the countertop. Lock nut after adjustment. Make it flush with countertop height by bottoming out the bottom corners underneath. Extension panel installation completed. The extension panel support legs are installed by first threading the bottom corners into the screwing into the screw holes. Adjustment of height. Thread it through the square tube aligned under the extension plate. Leveling with countertop. The lower bottom corner locks into place. To install the flip hinge, first locate the screws. Align mounting holes. Tighten the nut underneath the threaded screw. Same mounting method on both sides. Place the flip hinge on the underside of the mounting plate. Just tighten the locking nut. Assembling the telescopic ruler. First, align the telescoping ruler with the flip hinge square nut. Threaded into the telescopic rule slide. Locate 2 cm to the right of the 0 mark. Lock the screws after marking. Assembly of positioning blocks. First loosen the nut underneath the positioning block. Align the telescopic ruler slide into the. Just put it on and find the right size to lock it in place. Installation of vertical cushions. Start by marking the dimensions. Adjustment of the length by means of the lower screw. Adjust it and lock it. Assembly of miter gauge. First, thread the base of the ruler into the rail slots. Remove the black handle after insertion. Note that when installing, align the short screws with the pre-drilled holes on top. Black handle fixing. Just adjust the angle and lock it. Miter gauge assembly completed. Locking and use of rails. Pull the pin out. The track is operational. Pull out the pin and rotate it into the reserved hole. Rail locking. Precision table saw assembly completed.